Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and today I'm bringing you a really fun DIY for my teen daughter's bedroom. We came up with a way to give her a really fun lighted headboard effect, and I wanted to share it with you all. You guys are probably pretty aware we've been remaking her room, making it a lot more grown up. And this is one of the major things we wanted to do. So she does not have a headboard. She has a twin size bed. It's sort of a captain style bed with some drawers underneath, but no actual headboard. So we wanted to go ahead and do something fun to create a headboard for her bed. And this is a lot of fun because it adds quite a bit of light to her room. So to start out, you're going to need 2 sheer panels. These are 84 inches. They're the longest ones I could find. You could use 1, but I like the fullness of 2, and I got these at Big Lots. They were actually buy 1, get 1 half off. You're also going to need some lights. Now, I just happened to have these on hand already, and I ended up actually going through my Christmas lights to find them, as well as another pack because I decided to use 2 full sets of the 100 lights. Now, to hang them, I just pulled out my clear push pins, and then I kind of rummaged through my garage. I found a couple of hooks, and I'm going to actually go ahead and spray paint these black, but these should work to hold the rod I'm going to place the shears and lights behind. Now I got these out thinking I might need to use them to help with attaching the lights to the curtain, but I didn't need them at all. So I'm going to go ahead and head out and spray paint these hooks black. Now, also in my garage, I found an old curtain rod, and it looks like I'm going to be able to use this smaller portion of the rod. I'm going to go ahead and take off the finial on the end and just take out the thinner portion that is inside of this curtain rod and use that to hang my shears on. So here's the look of my hooks spray painted and attached to the wall, and as you can see, I used that curtain rod, but you could use PVC, a wood dowel, anything that you think would be sturdy enough, and 2 hooks, and that's it. So I wanted to have those things be black, and then the shears as well as the lights to all be white to match the wall color behind it. So what I did is I went ahead and put the shears onto the rod and hung it onto the hooks, and then I'll show you what I did beneath there. I took my push pins and I basically just ran the lights up and down the wall in a zigzag pattern, and I would put a push pin up and then fold the lights over, bring them way down to the bottom of where I wanted them to stop, and repeat the process. Put a pin in the wall and wrap it around it and head right back up. So it's basically just a zigzag pattern, although it does look just like it's going up and down. Now just remember when you're working on this part to have your cord end on whichever side is closest to where you're going to be plugging it in. So for us, the cord outlet is closer to the left side of her bed, so we do have a little extension cord pulled over, and that's where we were able to plug in the lights. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You just run your lights up and down, securing them with some little push pins, and in back of the curtain they give off an awesome flowy glow. It really looks neat. This is about 5 o'clock here in California, and we have connected her lights to her light switch So when she comes into her room, this is what the head of her bed will always look like. We love the way this turned out. We think it is so much fun. It was so easy and very inexpensive. And she said it was even Instagram worthy. So that's high praise from a teenager for a mom-made DIY headboard. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you back very soon.